So we just checked into our hotel and we are about to go and meet the rest of the creators here. They're going to be doing creator camp with us. It's basically going to be like Reno Lake Tahoe adult summer camp, and we get to be the camp counselors. And one of the first things we're going to be doing is going and playing Whiffle ball with the rest of the crew. I'm so excited, and the view out here is beautiful. Look at this stunning view.
Are just in our limo on the way over to our wiffle ball game, and they got us the cutest little custom jerseys with our names and stuff on them. All of the counselors are really big travel creators, so super fun. It's a little bonding experience before all the campers come in tomorrow. We're so excited to meet everyone, and honestly, summer camp has always been so much fun, and adult summer camp is very, very exciting to be able to host and also just like meet all of the amazing humans that are gonna have fun with us in Tahoe this week.
Just got back to the room. What a day. That was so much fun. We met everyone. We're here with Jacob and Oliver and Jess and Quinn. We met them last year, and the Bucket List family. We actually went and played wiffle ball in the Reno Tahoe stadium. So that was really cool to play in like the entire stadium. It was us versus the entire Reno Tahoe tourism. But they gave us jerseys, they gave us the hat, they gave us a big swag bag, and we went over all the stuff for the rest of the week. It's gonna be so much fun. Tomorrow we are leaving Reno and headed up to Lake Tahoe itself. We're gonna be staying at the Hyatt. So we're gonna crash after a full day. I will say the creators ended up winning the game, so that was really fun. But Reno's got so much to do that I didn't realize it, but they have like the world's highest rock climbing gym. They have the world's biggest bowling alley. There's so many cool activities to do, and we're gonna be doing a bunch of them as well as exploring Lake Tahoe. So we're gonna call it a night. We'll see you tomorrow for more adventure. Good morning. We are just packing up now. We are going to be heading to Lake Tahoe today. We are going to be doing a wooden boat tour on the lake, crossing our fingers that the weather holds up. And then after that, tonight we are having the welcome reception for all of the campers that are going to be doing Lake Tahoe Creator Camp. So we're really excited. We were staying here at the Grand Sierra Resort, and it was honestly really nice. We had a great breakfast this morning down by the pool, and now we're heading out. So we'll see you in Lake Tahoe. Just made it here to Lake Tahoe, and it was such an incredible day. We started off by going to Garwood's, which is one of the iconic restaurants here, and it was fantastic. It's right on the lakefront, so if you're looking for a fun spot to go, definitely check that out. It's so cool being up here with all of these other incredible creators. Everyone's getting so excited to meet everyone that's coming out for the tracks. After that, we went out on these beautiful vintage boats. It was a little cloudy. A few people still jumped in, and it was a fun day out on the lake. We've actually never been out on a boat on the lake. Typically, we just do our stand-up paddle boards or explore through kayaking. So it's pretty fun to do something different like that. We just got here to the Hyatt, and we're gonna be staying here for the next few days as we explore more of Lake Tahoe and Reno Lake Tahoe. We are about to go and meet everyone that is going to be coming for Creator Camp, and tonight is actually casino night, so we're pretty excited. It should be a fun little evening, so we're gonna get ready, and we'll see you when we meet all the campers. Yesterday we had casino night, and it was pretty fun. We all got $1,000 of like fake money to go and play blackjack and Texas Hold'em, and they had a roulette table and craps, and it was just a ton of fun. I ended up with $0. Giselle over here ended up winning $2,000, so she doubled our money. And the people that won the most money actually got a prize. So it was such a fun introduction event. Today is our first day of adventures in Lake Tahoe, and we are so excited. We are going whitewater rafting, which is something we've never done here before. And we're taking you with us. We cannot wait to experience this and bring our whole group. We just got back from whitewater rafting. What a fun time. I didn't realize that the rapids out here were so crazy. It was cool because the company we went with, it started off really nice and flat. It was pretty relaxing. You can look up, there were like bald eagles, beautiful trees, stunning mountains. And then we hit the two biggest rapids and they were wild. One was called Jaws. We went through, I almost fell out, and everyone in the boat got wet. And then after that, we went down one called Bronco. And on this one, Giselle literally almost fell out. Someone got it on camera and it was freaking hilarious. But the vibes were so high. There was about 18 of us that all were floating down Truckee. And if you guys want to check out the exact tour that we went on, I'll go ahead and put the QR code right over here. I've never done whitewater rafting, and honestly, I wish that I had done it sooner. It was a really fun way to see a whole bunch. We covered about 8 miles in 2 hours, but we just got back. We just got ready. We are headed to go bowling, and then we are going to have a Burning Man party tonight. So I'm not too sure what that means, but I'm really excited to see what the Reno Lake Tahoe team puts out for us. So with that, let's go bowling. We're going in. Okay, okay.
Yes, she's got
So we just got back from an incredible evening. After whitewater rafting, we chilled out for a little bit, had some lunch, which Creator Camp is providing all of our food and drink for everyone, which is so nice. After that, we got to go bowling at the GSR, which is where we were a few days ago. We got our own little rented out area called the Kingpin Lounge, and it was wild. As soon as we walked in, there were lights all over the place. They had caramel apples, popcorn, corn dogs, regular corn, so many different snacks, and it was just such a fun vibe. It was like the entire squad bowling on 8 different lanes. Giselle ended up beating 100 and actually won our bowling game, so that was also a plus. After bowling, we headed over to Glow Plaza for a Burning Man themed block party. And when I say the theme was on point, it was crazy. As soon as you walked in, they had like tarot card readings, henna tattoos. They had different places where you can design your own bucket hats and your own tote bags. And there was a bunch of Burning Man art there. One of the cars had fire coming out of it. There were different art installations like a polar bear and these crazy alien looking things. There was a DJ, there were performers. It actually felt like a block party. And there were 3 food trucks. So we could go and get sushi and burgers, and it was just so much fun. I feel like it actually felt like adult summer camp. And usually when we come up here to Lake Tahoe and Reno, we just basically stay on the lake and go paddleboarding and stuff. So it was really fun to see a different, more fun part. I feel like Reno has so much to offer between like the outdoorsy stuff as well as all of the fun games and back end. But it was the perfect way to end our field day. And I'm so excited because tomorrow we are doing the 2 things that I'm the most excited about for this whole trip.
Good morning. It's currently 3:30 a.m., but we're about to go and do one of the coolest things that I think you can do in Lake Tahoe. We've never done it before. So, let's go on a hot air balloon. How are you feeling, G?
It's early.
Good morning from 3,000 feet above the ground. We are in our hot air balloon.
We are out here in the middle of Lake Tahoe and we are doing a sunrise hot air balloon. It is absolutely insane. We got so high, you guys. It was just, yeah, it's wild. If you don't like heights, I don't know if this is gonna be your thing, but it was really crazy. You got views of Emerald Bay, you got views of some crazy like areas around here where they filmed a ton of famous movies like Top Gun, and all the beautiful lakes out here in Desolation Wilderness. You could even see Shasta behind me. You could see Yosemite in the distance. It's wild. Like, I highly, highly recommend doing this if you come out to Lake Tahoe. This is something we've never done before, even though we come up here every year, and it's so cool. We're out here with Lake Tahoe balloons, and yeah, what an epic morning. Like, we got our friends coming down for a little dip. You get to dip in the basket into the water. Pretty cool. Activity of our track here at summer camp. We are heading out on a boat day, and wow, you guys, the lake looks so good today. Definitely the best weather of the week. It's sunny and 75. It is glassy out, even though it's the afternoon. I'm so excited. There's nothing like getting out on Lake Tahoe on a boat. So let's go.
Lake Tahoe boat day. It's been absolutely incredible. So we just got back from our boat tour. That was absolutely incredible. I think it was my favorite thing that we've done so far. And now we are going to be playing some lawn games. So we are walking to the outside of the Hyatt. We heard there's gonna be like water balloons, hamster wheels, all kinds of fun things. This is the last night that people can also enter in the talent show. And I don't think we've talked about it so far, but because this is Creator Camp, Reno Tahoe, and all of the creators came together to give away Sony cameras, Insta360s, GoPros, everything that you can imagine as really cool prizes. On top of all those cool prizes, the way that you win them is by the talent show. And in the talent show, we're giving away things for like best nature photo, best Reno Tahoe content. So we're giving away prizes for all the things that we would expect as content creators. So G and I have been helping people take a ton of photos and videos and edit stuff. And we're hoping that our group is the one to win the content.
just wrapped up our field day for Creator Camp, and that was so much fun. They did such a good job doing the full setup. We had like hamster wheels, we had 3-legged races, we had yard pong, we had s'mores and a fire pit. We had lots of good conversations. The food was phenomenal. It was a really fun way to end the evening for Creator Camp. It's honestly been really awesome because this camp has a ton of different tracks. Steve and I are camp counselors for one track, and there's a ton of other travel creators that are leading tracks, and everyone here is either just like an adult looking to have fun at summer camp or an aspiring content creator, and it's a huge mix of people who just like love to travel and have a good time. So it's been awesome connecting with all these amazing people. And yeah, we're just now getting our squad wrapped up because we have our talent show tomorrow and our creator panel where we're going to get interviewed and yeah, just have one last hurrah before we pack out of here. But it's been such a fun day. This is probably one of my favorite days I've had in like all year.
Good morning from our last day here at Creator Camp. Last night was so special. It was a really fun opportunity to bond with everyone in our camp, as well as we hung out with all of the other counselors and people that are here for Creator Camp. And it's not too often that we get to hang out with our peers. So it was really, really fun evening playing games. Today, though, is what we've all been waiting for, which is the talent show. I'm hoping that a few of the people from our track are gonna win because we brought the brand new GoPro, we brought a Sony camera, we brought a vlogger kit. So we're really excited to give some of these prizes to the campers and can't wait to see what they put together. We were reminding them all week to go and submit a ton of stuff. So come with us to wrap up our first ever Reno Tahoe Creator Camp. And that is it for Creator Camp. What an absolutely incredible experience. It was so much fun. I think that we personally had the best track between the whitewater rafting and the boat day and the hot air balloon. It's the only hot air balloon in the entire world that launches and lands over a lake. So it was pretty cool to see. They even have a Guinness World Record for it. If you want to come to Creator Camp next year, we already have the sign up for it. All you have to do is scan the QR code right over here and be one of the first 15 people to join Creator Camp. It was so much fun. Probably one of my favorite group trips I think we've ever done, and I cannot wait to do it again next year. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more bucket list adventures, we are headed to Turkey next week, and I cannot wait to bring you along for a new country. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube also thinks that you're going to enjoy this video over here. So we'll see you in the next one.